Hi, CVVA. This message is regarding our Learner Online Sessions. As part of our approach this year, on our weekly schedule, we're providing open academic sessions in the Learning Center, special events in the Learning Center, and learner online sessions for some families who can't make it into the physical learning center at Fritz Elementary. These learner online sessions are a key component to generating and cultivating meaningful connection for your child. So please take a moment to listen to this video message and complete the required questionnaire from the email. What's a learner online session? Well, first and foremost, it's meant for learners. It's meant for your child to engage with their peers, have fun, and interact with others in a meaningful, light-hearted way. You'll notice on our schedule, we have each day of the week and a variety of online sessions. Most of the online sessions are a link, and when you hover above it and click, it will enter that Zoom room for that activity. These learner online sessions have also been sent to your learner on Seesaw. So it's a great practice that just a few minutes before the session begins, have them go into Seesaw, open up the weekly schedule, and click on the learner online Zoom that they want to join. We're being very strategic in the way that we connect and what we offer to your children. So sometimes there might be sessions that are just for a specific grade level. For example, this online session is meant for fifth graders and it's a social Zoom. So that's only open to fifth graders. You'll also notice in some other sessions like this lunch bunch and Wednesday's lunch bunch, it's really meant for those grade levels. However, not every learner online session is just tied to a grade level. On Monday, we're hosting an online session with Cosmic Kids, which is going to be stretching and movement and a story. If you don't see a grade level listed in the description, that means it's kindergarten through sixth grade. You'll also notice that some online sessions, for example, these at the 12:45 time slot, are also going to be touch points for your child to engage in some topics they're learning in K-12. For example, third graders and fourth graders in K-12 are learning about the human body. So we created Learner Online Sessions as a way to enrich their understanding through a light-hearted, fun, engaging, non-intimidating way. It's going to be a really powerful way for the knowledge to sink deeper into your child's brain while also building their social and emotional skills. So for example, on Tuesday at 12:45, third graders should join the Science Learner Online session here all about bones. And we even let you know what unit it connects to in K-12. These are our learner online sessions. They are all hosted on Zoom. They are all strategic and intentional ways for us, CVVA, to all connect together, even if you're learning at home or at grandma's house or anywhere. The questionnaire that's included in your email looks like this. It's 8 questions total. And I don't want to just send out surveys to send out surveys. Instead, this questionnaire is gathering valuable information about what online sessions your learner is interested in. And if they have specific suggestions or ideas, something they want to do, let us know. If there's an academic area or a time of day that really suits you best, please use this time in the questionnaire to inform us so that we can better serve your learner in these online sessions. Let us know if you've been able to add Zoom on your learner's app, or if maybe you're interested in a learning coach session. That means that your learner isn't joining. It's an online session from coaches to be able to engage with each other and connect with CVVA. Of course, if there are any obstacles that are preventing your learner from attending these online sessions, please speak openly with us and let us know what they are. We'll keep your answers confidential. If there's any other feedback you'd like to give us regarding online sessions, go ahead and let us know. This questionnaire, again, is for our CVVA team to better understand how we can connect with your learners online. I'm really looking forward to reading your answers and know that your feedback is going to be read. It is going to be valued and implemented. And in exchange for completing this required questionnaire, I am going to pull 5 families to receive a Panera coupon for a free kids meal with purchase. So it's just a small way that we can say thank you for your time, for letting us know how to make these learner online sessions the most effective and meaningful for CVVA this year. Head back to the email, complete the questionnaire, and we'll be in touch soon.